Welcome to my backyard. This is Gardening with Stacey. This right here is Callaloo. So today we will be harvesting Callaloo or harvesting Amaranth here in my Jamaican backyard garden. Yep, backyard farming in Jamaica, Portmore edition. I will also show you how I prepare my Jamaican steamed Callaloo. So yes, from garden to plate. So guys, Callaloo is packed with iron and is high in fiber too. As a matter of fact, it's full of vitamins and minerals. Callaloo helps your digestive system and definitely prevent constipation. So tell me, have you ever grown Callaloo before or even eaten it? Comment below and tell me. In the meantime, let's harvest these beauties. If you notice how I am harvesting them, I am taking off the branches and leave the main stem. So these plants will keep me coming back for more. In no time, they will spring up back. So this is what they look like now. You will see how quickly they come up back. Alright, such a nice bundle of Callaloo here. I like them like this, very tender and nice. So of course I have to wash them. Washing them off first with just water, then I will change the water and add some salt to it. I am going to let them soak in the salt water for about 15 minutes or so. The salt water will get rid of any insect. Now I'm stripping them to avoid them from being stringy when eating. Now it's time to cut them up. For the thicker stalks, I like to cut them in halves like this before cutting them up. So here I have a pot already on the stove. I added just a little oil, add some garlic. Oh, by the way, these are what I am using: carrots, tomatoes, sweet peppers, onions, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper. And you see I already added the garlic to the pot because I completely forgot to tell you of the ingredients first. So I'm sauteing the garlic, onion, sweet pepper, tomato and carrot in the oil on a low flame, that is. Adding some scotch bonnet pepper now without the seeds. Now adding the callaloo. Mixing in everything together. Add some salt, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. You can also add some black pepper if you wish. I prefer not to. Stir and cover to steam for about 6 minutes. Now it's steamed and ready. I did add this piece of thyme with the callaloo for flavor. I forgot to mention that. You can take it out when it's finished. So there you have it, Jamaican steamed callaloo. If only you could smell the aroma right now. I'm telling you. I'm having it with boiled green bananas and cornmeal dumplings. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
Sweet Jamaica, man, and I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet Jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet Jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Now with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist a chant. I saw me born, I'm in a transplant. What a nice place to live. Sweet Jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet Jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. A man will live on a banana boat and him a gone overboard because him say everywhere better than he have. But when him touch certain countries, see this system a fraud, him have to run back a jam down and give it its reward. What a nice place to live. Sweet Jam down.